chose the House Designers was because we were looking for a certain style of house. You know, we've got a little bit of a craftsman style house, and we just looked through a lot of different plans, and y'all happened to have the one we really liked. Not inexpensive to buy a lot on or near the lake anywhere. We wanted a west view for the front porch. We enjoy watching sunsets. So from there then, you know, the craftsman look and having a decent front porch, we didn't find a lot of plans that had much of a front porch. And so we even had to modify this one a little bit because originally it had a bay window in the front, and that kind of took up some of that front porch space, which is an important space for our rocking chairs. So that dictated the plan we chose quite a bit also. I guess in hindsight, we didn't realize that the living room would be as small as it turned out to be. We wish we had a little bit more depth between the living room and the kitchen itself, but it is just the two of us, and we don't plan on moving. So really, there's not anything inside the house that I would have wanted to change. Now, I like the way we did the smaller windows. We did more of a transom type window in the master. Makes it a little bit easier to sleep because it stays dark in there a little bit longer. I made the countertop, so we get a lot of compliments on that. Probably the backsplash did that also. Real happy with the house. One thing we did find out when we were doing our research with the House Designers, that it doesn't hurt to have somebody look over the plans before they start building and before you commit, because we wanted to tweak a few things. Initially, we probably would not have done a full tile encased shower at the size that it came out to, which was like 40 inches, but we ended up not having a choice because they don't make a fiberglass one that size. Just be aware of really what your space measurements are, because you might need to make some changes or do some tweaking, and that can be a challenge. My wife wanted the touch faucet, the Delta Touch, which was a little bit of an upgrade. As far as the front door goes, we had picked that out well in advance. We knew what we wanted. With the Dental 2 style, I mean, it's a pure Craftsman front door. It is fiberglass, believe it or not, it's textured, but we were advised not to go with wood just because of the lake setting. You know, it's not any cheaper than wood, but it should last 30 years, where with the wood door we were told, you know, we'd be lucky to get 8 to 10 years out of it. It's just the moisture situation that's out here on the lake. Really think things through as much as you can, especially your design and your touches that you're going to do later. You know, we're very happy with the house, happy with the design, the way it turned out. Got a lot of compliments on it, and very proud of it.